AI billionaire boom. How artificial intelligence became the world's new wealth machine. Imagine this, a young programmer is sitting in his room in front of a laptop. Outside, the night has already grown deep, but lines of code keep running across his screen. Just a few years ago, this work looked like nothing more than a simple tech experiment. But suddenly, that same code, that same algorithm, and that same artificial intelligence model begin to decide the future of the world's biggest companies. Within a few years, that same idea turns into a valuation worth billions of dollars. And then, one day, the news suddenly breaks. The programmer has become a billionaire. The question is, what exactly is AI doing that, in just a few years, a new generation of billionaires is being created around the world? The world has seen technological revolutions before. The Industrial Revolution built factories, the Internet Revolution created digital companies, and the smartphone revolution gave birth to global platforms. But the revolution of artificial intelligence is different. It is not just a new technology, it is changing the way every industry works. That is why today AI is being called the world's biggest wealth engine. The Hurun Global Rich List 2026 report shows this change very clearly. According to this report, out of the world's total 4,020 billionaires, 114 are now directly connected to companies linked with artificial intelligence. This number is not just a statistic, it is a signal that the center of global wealth is changing rapidly. And the most surprising fact is that out of these 114 people, about 46 have become billionaires only in recent years. According to Rupert Hugwerf, the chief researcher of the Hurun report, the speed at which new wealth was created in the past year is the fastest in the history of the Hurun Global Rich List. Within just 1 year, more than 700 new billionaires joined the list. This means that on average, nearly 2 new billionaires were created every single day. This figure shows how quickly the valuation of AI-based companies is rising. The biggest example of this AI wealth boom is Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang. Nvidia is originally a company that makes graphics processing units, or GPUs. But when the demand for extremely powerful computing to train artificial intelligence models suddenly increased, the demand for Nvidia's GPUs also exploded. Training AI requires millions of calculations every second, and Nvidia's GPUs are considered some of the most powerful hardware for this task. That is why, with the AI boom, the demand for Nvidia grew rapidly. As a result, Jensen Huang's wealth increased by nearly 34%, and his total net worth reached about $172 billion. Nvidia's market capitalization also rose rapidly and crossed $5 trillion. Just a few years ago, Nvidia was considered a specialized chip maker, but today it has become the backbone of the artificial intelligence revolution. Because of this surge, Jensen Huang has moved close to the top positions in the list of the world's richest people. The wave of AI is not limited only to hardware companies. Its impact is equally visible on software giants. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, is a major example of this. Google's founders Larry Page and 𝐟𝐸𝐥𝐥𝐨𝐰 Brin have made heavy investments in artificial intelligence. Google's AI models such as Gemini and DeepMind technologies have further strengthened the company's power. AI-driven search, AI cloud services, and AI-powered advertising have rapidly pushed Alphabet's market value upward. As a result, the wealth of both Larry Page and 𝐟𝐸𝐥𝐴 Brin jumped significantly, placing them among the richest people in the world. The AI revolution has also benefited companies like Oracle. Oracle's founder Larry Ellison invested heavily in cloud computing and AI infrastructure. Today, many major AI companies use Oracle's data centers to train their models. Because of this, Larry Ellison's wealth also increased by nearly 32%, and his net worth reached about $267 billion. This shows that within the AI ecosystem, not only AI developers, but also infrastructure providers are becoming rich very quickly. Another name that has emerged rapidly in the world of artificial intelligence is OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. OpenAI is the company that created AI models like ChatGPT. After the launch of ChatGPT, the speed of AI adoption suddenly increased across the world. ChatGPT showed that artificial intelligence is not just a technology for research labs. It can become a part of everyday life for ordinary people. Its popularity grew so quickly that OpenAI's valuation also rose sharply. Along with this, Sam Altman's net worth nearly tripled and reached around $4.7 billion. Apart from OpenAI, companies like Anthropic are also rising rapidly in the AI sector. Anthropic is developing an advanced language model called Claude AI. The valuation of this company has also risen rapidly, reaching hundreds of billions of dollars. The wealth of entrepreneurs such as Anthropic founders Dario Amodei and Daniela Amodei has also reached billions of dollars. This shows that AI startups today are creating wealth comparable to traditional tech giants. Another interesting aspect of the AI revolution can be seen in the robotics sector. A company called Figure AI is developing humanoid robots. The founder of this company, Brett Adcock, recorded the highest percentage increase in wealth. His fortune increased nearly 10 times and reached about $16 billion. The aim of humanoid robotics is to create robots that can work like humans, lifting goods in warehouses, assembling products in factories, or handling logistics operations. If this technology succeeds, it could transform the entire global workforce. The youngest self-made billionaires included in the Hurun Global Rich List 2026 also come from the AI sector. Three entrepreneurs, Brendan Foodie, 𝐼𝐸𝐴𝐸, and Surya Midha, are only 22 years old. The three of them created an AI-based hiring startup called 𝐮𝐻𝐻𝐿. 𝐻𝐻𝐿 uses AI algorithms to automate the recruitment process for companies. The valuation of this startup grew so rapidly that its founders became billionaires within just a few years. This shows that the AI revolution is not limited only to established corporations. It is also giving unprecedented opportunities to a new generation of entrepreneurs. AI wealth is also growing rapidly in China. According to the Hurun report, China currently has 1,110 billionaires and has been ahead in terms of the number of new billionaires created. Although companies from the United States are still leading in the AI sector, China is also investing rapidly in AI technology. ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok, is a major example of this. The wealth of ByteDance founder 𝐮𝐩𝐿 increased by about $19 billion, and his net worth reached around $79 billion. Tencent CEO Ma Huateng has also succeeded in increasing his wealth through the combination of AI and gaming technologies. Similarly, the founders of AI hardware companies such as 𝐾𝐬𝐿 Technologies and 𝐮𝐩𝐼 have also recorded major increases in their wealth. But this wealth revolution of artificial intelligence is not only the story of winners. Along with it, some companies and sectors are also facing losses. According to the Hurun report, because of the growing influence of AI, the valuation of several traditional software and data companies has declined. For example, the wealth of Bloomberg founder Michael Bloomberg has fallen by about 13%. The wealth of Atlassian co-founders Mike Cannon-Brookes and Scott Farquhar has almost been cut in half. The wealth of Salesforce CEO Mark Benioff and Workday founder David Duffield has also seen a decline. This shows that the AI revolution is rapidly changing old business models. Many traditional software companies whose businesses were based on manual data analysis or basic software tools are now under pressure because of AI automation. The impact of this change can also be seen in India's IT outsourcing industry. Over the past 3 decades, India's IT companies achieved major success in the global outsourcing market. But because of AI automation, many routine programming and support tasks can now be done by machines. According to the Hurun report, the expansion of AI has also affected the wealth of several families connected with traditional IT companies in India. In many cases, their wealth has declined by nearly 25%. This situation is also a major signal for India. Because if AI automation grows rapidly, then the traditional IT outsourcing model will have to transform itself. The AI revolution is not just a technology trend. It is also beginning a new phase of wealth distribution. Some people are becoming extraordinarily rich at unprecedented speed, while some old business models are gradually weakening. And perhaps this is the biggest story of artificial intelligence, that it is not only making machines intelligent, but also changing the direction of the world's economy. In the coming years, the path to becoming a billionaire may no longer pass through factories or oil fields, but through algorithms and data centers. And that is the question now standing before the entire world. Will AI only create new wealth, or will it completely reshape the old economic balance as well?
If our video has taught you something new, do not forget to like and share this video so that this information can reach others as well. Your likes and shares are a source of inspiration for us. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. It will be our honor to answer your questions and listen to suggestions. And yes, if you like our content, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you stay connected with every new story. Thank you. GRT Business YouTube channel sources, news from various news agencies, opinion polls and other public sources. We try to ensure that every report and summary is accurate and verified, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our aim is only to provide you with accurate information.